Hello there, today I show you my smoke glowing light Photoshop action, how to use it and custom it. There is previously applied some result, you can see it. This is the result and this is the whole photo and our effect looking. See this script work in full area image and you can very easily change the color option and anything. See the portrait looking and another portrait and another portrait. See the animal, the bird. So it's work nicely card. You can add the real color look, or you can use our faded tone or lighting tone. See the multicolor looking is a portrait is very nice and fully professionally making is to work any size of image. You can use a high resolution. This is the photo. See, okay. Now I have show you how to use and some extra tricks. Just watch this video. Go my download file. There is show help file. If any problem you face, you can contact me very easily. I am reply fast. My Facebook fan page or my WhatsApp message or then my email. Okay, this is the script we need to load. Go your Photoshop and click the action option. Click now action plate show maybe right side, but I have set it left side. Then go this option and load action and find out the main file, my download main file, this one, and just load button click. Now it's loaded. Up and down option, this is the down, and last one is the our script. There is name mentioned. This is the folder and this is the script. Now open a photo. You can open your photo any size of image. I have opened this photo. This photo is perfect lighting, shading, grading, everything. So it's work better than better. So make sure your photo is a perfect grading. Now make sure your photo is a lock icon show and background name is background. Do not use the transparent background photo. You can change the background and you can merge it, but do not use the transparent. If your photo background transparent or layer 0 format or other format like look like this, you need to fix it. Right button click and fit an image. Now is fix the lock background layer, lock icon. Now we can check out this option, just avoiding the error. Small one, enter document, use maximum time. All are setting perfect hour, but I just need to show as it is my setting. And make sure your photo is RGB color mode. If not, then go image mode RGB color. Just click there. If show any message, just please click OK. Now my video time saving purpose, I have less the image size. You can use any high resolution size. I have typed the 300 pixel. This is the standard size. You can use any high resolution or low resolution, and everything is okay. Now I have select all in on and just hit the play button. Now start is working. Depend your PC configuration and image resolution size. Every layer I have worked the separate. You can manually touch up and freehand working. I have everything include the resource in layer based layer. Okay, it's working still, just need some time. Okay, hello there, action is done working. Now you can custom yourself. There is more layer and view. Okay, this is the default setting result, and we have default setting create. Now you can decorate yourself. That is totally depend of you. I have give you some extra tricks and tips. See it. This is our folder, and this is the back support. If you want to the real color looking in left side or any other side, just click the max point and brush and soft brush, general brush. This is the default brush, soft brush I have used, and simply just brush. See, you can raise the opacity for smartly working nose area. Okay, see, is nice and perfect looking now. Or you can manually work this one. There is the see, this is the soft making and this is the light glow making. You can select and the marks option, the white of space, and you can brush. See, some of area remove. So I think this is perfect. Do not need the touch. Sometimes some images need to touch up. This is the our another grading option, the darkness and shading look. See, the looking is a darkest like, and another setting. See, only highlight area is highlighted. Okay, and there is the color balance and adjustment. You can adjust there everything. Just double click there this option and controlling the adjustment. But this time I have do not need the adjustment more. I have perfect for my default setting, and I have prepared this one. This is the color changing of soft focus, and you can double click this option and you can change the color ratio. See, it's very easily change the color ratio. Okay, I think this is perfect, and this is the real color tone added your photo. You can check out the max point and the brush tools already selected. You can remove some of area for brushing and need to more work. Others area look like a color, but face area is the black option. So see the looking, or you can remove any of place, just brush. Okay, and another one, this is the soft one, and this is the extra color option added. See, if you use this one and use this one, there is a more light color. So this is the setting. You can freehand work there, like combination. You can get out the unlimited result. Use this combination and another combination. See, and you can uncheck it. There is another looking, and unviewing. See the looking. So use this one or this one, the another looking, and uncheck this one. Use this one, the another color combined, and I have used this one. See the looking. There is another, and use this one and double click this one, and you can change. See, there is a uncheck this one, the another color looking. So uncheck this one and another one, and this is the multicolor. Sometimes some people look like the multicolor, so you can use the multicolor tone and click the our top color changing option and uncheck this one. See the looking, and double click this option, the dual combination I show you now. See, the color looking is just and nice, everything is good. See, is very lighting and shining color. You can uncheck this one, and there is another looking show. You can view this one. This is the our faded tone, another one. If you use this one and use this one, there is another show looking. See, and you can click this one or off this one, and this one, the more lighting, and this one another lighting, and this one another color, and off this one, and double click this one. You can change the color grading. Okay, now I have show you another option. Look like this one. You need to make the size. You can make it bigger or any of area size, and make sure if you need the size bigger, the space need to space, and pick the color for the color picker tool and brush smoothly, and our opacity is 100% now. This is not my action required, this is the extra tricks. Action, just play the action and it's worked and result give you. I try to help our customer, and our support is very helpful. You can contact anytime. See, I have covered it. Now I can play it, and now there is the open space. Just this is the another tricks. Okay, but I have it's working. I have show you the another photo is how it's work. Okay, see the looking. Now there is the space and working. Okay, if you think the remove this option, you can work there and create a new layer and brush tool and select this color and brush the area. Everything is possible in this script, and you can very easily edit. Okay, now I have used another photo. This photo, I think use this photo, and I have image size change for my video time saving purpose, 300 pixel. Already lock background layer. I have just play the script, just working our command. We have many different resources. You can check out our profile, MRI Studio, photoshopaction.net. This is our on-site. You can download some of photo effect freely. Download our on-site. It's fully depend your photo. Okay, result is finished. Now see the more shining looking and glow because of the this photo subject is small, subject focus is small, that's why this is the glowing show mode. So you can control it and go this and the maxing point, and you can raise the opacity and view it. See, just view it. Okay, I think it's good. Now if you do not need the extra glow, so you can just out. If you photo is the zoom out or like small, then you can use the original size, then it's work nicely. Okay, and everything is there. So if you do not need this all, you can remove everything. Follow this step, delete, and I have only need to quick selection tool, select subject button, click. If you select the quick selection tool, there is select subject button show. Now auto your photo is select. Now you can marks and right button click your photo, marks photo, right button click your photo and fit an image. Now it white color, and just hit the play button. See, the only photo is now work and smoke glowing light effect, not work the background, because if your photo is the black background, like one color background, your photo is any one color background, then only focus the subject or do not work the others area. Okay, you need to overall others area, full area, you can play just script. See, now overall area is black. And if you think the real look, just select the marks, and the top color is black marks. See, now you can use the real look. It's perfect. I think it's perfect. So you can change the color yourself and the real color tone. Okay, thanks for watch this video and purchase this product. Still, if you need any kind of help, you can send a message our profile, our Facebook fan page, our WhatsApp number and our email. Please rate this item if you like this item and follow our profile.